Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, just need to click on this sidebar panel right here. So I'll click on this plus icon right here just to add elements. And then once you have clicked that, we should be able to see this image option from in here. So click on upload image right here, and then this will open the Wix Pro gallery wherein we can upload a media, or we can just search for the Wix website gallery right here in order to look for our website. So for this one, let's just look for a website, or let's just upload a media. So let's just open this one, and then let's open a sample of this right here. So let's drag this and then copy this to our website. Then as you can see, it will upload the file that we have uploaded. So let's just wait for that to finish loading. And as you can see, this is step. So let's click on this add to page. And then once you have done that, as you can see, it will be added to our page. So just drag this wherever you want to put this. And as you can see, it will look like that. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add images on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it does reach more people. See you soon!